Greg here. I got a new alarm in the mail yesterday. Here it is. Some of you can probably already guess what brand this is just by the design. There's the bottom. There's a little 15 sticker on the strobe unit. Here's the sides. And here's the back. This is a system sensor CH2415. It has a 24 volt 15 candela red wall mount chime strobe. Yes, this is a SpectrAlert chime strobe. So right here is a 6-way dip switch. This controls the chime's tones, and this little sticker here on the side is basically a guide as to what dip switch settings provide what tones. This thing can do a repeating 1-second chime, a repeating quarter-second chime, a temporal 3 chime, a single stroke chime, and then 2 mechanical tones, each at either continuous or temporal, and then the chime tones are either at 1200 hertz, 1000 hertz, or 800 hertz. And down here, the last 2 switches are for volume settings. This comes factory installed with these little jumper wires here. Don't cut these. Cutting them serves no purpose because they have the little fork tongue thingies in them. You can just take and remove them with no problem. The strobe will synchronize to a sync circuit module or a sync circuit power supply. However, the chime will not. Even if you set the chime tone to either a single stroke chime or continuous mechanical tone, it will not properly code. It's kind of like my Edwards Genesis chime, in that it's a completely electronic tone, and if you interrupt the power supply, it'll just cut off without doing like a little fade out that most chimes will do. Anyway, check out the little strobe here. Just like the SP2 series of SpectrAlert speaker strobes, you take a little tiny screwdriver in here and you push down on the little tab that's inside of there. Eventually, you'll get the little strobe unit to pop out, and then you can just reverse it. Mainly, you would do that if like you might have like some visibility issues, like if there's like a door in the way or a hall or like at a corner or something. You could do that. Otherwise, I believe the default way that it comes out of the package is this way. This is supposed to come with a little mud plate. Unfortunately, the seller that I bought this from did not provide one with it, so it's just going to be just like that. And you cannot mount it directly to a double gang or a single gang back box or a 4-inch back box. If you try to mount it to a single gang back box, it won't fit because of the offset chime unit. So I'll go ahead and get this thing wired up, and then we can do some testing on this.